So let's start with today's lovely recipe. Now here I've sprouted 1 cup of chana or kala vatana, and now I'm going to pressure cook it for 1 whistle on high and simmer it for 10 minutes. This is how it will look. Now we're going to make a coarse paste, and for that paste I've taken half a cup of fresh coconut, about 4 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of tamarind soaked in some water, and some garam masala. Then I'm going to grind all the whole spices, grind the red chilies, grind the coconut along with this tamarind water to a very coarse paste. Now we're going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then we're going to add some 7 to 8 curry leaves. Now once the curry leaves are nice and fried, we're going to add this paste that we have ground, this coarse paste. Now we're going to fry this paste really well. Once the paste is nice and fried, we're going to add the black vatanas that is sprouted along with the water that we have cooked it in the pressure pan. Mix everything really well. Now I'm going to add the water that it was cooking in the pressure pan. So for 1 vati of sprouted vatana, I've used about 2 cups of water. So I'm adding that water too. And we're going to mix everything really well. Now to sprout this black gram or black vatana, what I did is I took 1 cup of vatana, washed it really well, and then I kept it soaked in water for about 10 hours. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Then after 10 hours, I took out all the water and let the chana rest for about another 8 to 10 hours, and then you'll see that it starts to sprout. So when you're sprouting it, there should not be any water. So the water should be taken out after soaking it for 10 hours and then keeping it without any water for 10 hours, and you'll get the sprouts. And now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of jaggery or gur. And when I'm pressure cooking this 1 cup, I've used 2 cups of water and pressure cooked it on 1 whistle on high and then simmered it or kept it on a low flame for about 10 minutes till it gets nice and cooked. Now we're just going to stir everything together. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves. But now the recipe is not yet done. The most important part is there, and that is we're going to take a tadka pan or a tempering pan, and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil to it. So we're going to add this tempering or this tadka or this fodni, and all we're going to do is just going to add a lot of chopped up garlic or lasun. So I've taken about, I think, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and really chop them very fine. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the garlic to this, and I'm going to fry the garlic really well. If you haven't ever tried, giving a fodni of garlic to your dals or some of these special usals, you should. It just tastes amazing. And just to elevate the flavor, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and again fry everything really well. And once all of this is really fried well, I'm going to add this to our usal, our kala vatana usal, and I'm going to mix everything really well. And now our usal is finally ready. So you must try out this dish, guys. It's super delicious. In fact, you can eat it all by itself, or it goes really well with some nice hot steamed rice or even some polis or chapatis. So I hope you do try out this recipe, and I'll catch you soon in my next recipe. See you guys. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.